In this tutorial, we will learn how to place an image in text. So let's get started. At first, duplicate the background layer. Add a white solid color fill layer. Because the fill layer is sitting above both of our image layers, the document is now temporarily filled with white. Now we need to move the solid color fill layer below layer 1. To do this, click on the solid color fill layer, make sure you click on its little color swatch icon on the left, not the layer mask icon on the right, and with your mouse button still held down, drag the layer downward until you see a highlight bar appear between the background layer and layer 1 and then release your mouse button. Select layer 1. Select the type tool. Choose your font. Set your type color to white. If your type color is already set to white, or some other color you can easily see in front of your image, you can skip this step. Add your text. I'll type the word America. Click the check mark. Drag the type layer below layer 1. Select layer 1 again. Now we will create a clipping mask. With layer 1 selected, click on this small menu icon. Choose Create Clipping Mask. This clips the image on layer 1 to the text on the type layer below it, meaning that only the area of the image that sits directly above the actual text on the type layer remains visible, creating the illusion that the image is inside the text. The rest of the image is now hidden from view, and in its place, we see the solid white fill layer. And finally, resize and reposition the text according to your will.